Okay, this is Bob again. 60 degrees below zero for 60degreev6.com. Doing the flow balance check on the Multech fuel injectors, and notice that this rig makes it very easy to unplug the down drains from the regular spray cleaning section where the EFI fluid's coming through the rail, going down to the injectors and so forth. And all I need to do is to just rotate it out of the way, and the tray allows me the chance to stand up the 50 milliliter fluid balance tubes, and now I can check out how they spray. That took all of about 10 seconds to set that up, for those that aren't curious about it. 43.5 psi. It's a mixture of Lucas, EFI Cleaner, and WD-40, which is probably too thick, but what the fuck, let's just go with it. Here we go. I'm going to go through this pretty quick because I want to see whether these are balancing out. And take a look at those puppies with this new rail. They're looking pretty damn balanced. I don't know if you can see it through the screening yet, but this is very encouraging. It really was the Multech rail that was the problem. How about that? I'm going to try to bring it up over the level of the stand here. When I put this frame together for the FrankInjector, I wanted it to be as stable as possible. And so far, there's only one weak sister in the bunch. These all look pretty good on this one bank here. That one right there looks like it might need some more work, or I'll have to check the ohms on its reading to see if the injector has other problems. But this is very revealing. As you can see, 3 are good. The other 2 on the other side, they only have to be within 5% of each other. And you can see that I have identified one injector that in particular is going to be a problem. But this is the value of the FrankInjector. If I had an extra injector, I could test it out and see if it goes with this group. Right now, this is working out alright. My timing's a little off on hitting the buttons here, but it doesn't take long to do it. Sorry about wobbling the camera, but my arm's getting tired of holding it up. You get to be 60 years old, you'll figure that out. So far, so good. Whoops, double shot there. Sorry about that. Pay no attention to that man behind the curtain over there. I just put a double shot on the left bank. Pressure is still at 43.5 psi. Those are close. 2 of them here are a little sketchy, but I can put them through another cycle of cleaning and figure out which is which. Now, getting the used injectors off of eBay, of course I know John's gonna scream about that, Forced Firebird, because he doesn't like eBay, but if you can pick up an extra set or two and you have built your own FrankInjector, what you'll find is that you can mix and match them by cleaning, going through the whole UMAX ultrasonic, then putting them through the pressure cleaning, which these are not done yet. I just wanted you to know that. I'm only testing out the the flow balance part of the FrankInjector's ability. But there you go. Doesn't take long to check them out. Now that I know that that one in particular is a problem, I can check the coil for its resistance and find out what's what. Now the rest of that fluid, I'll just pour it back into the down drain through one of those tubes, and then I can pop the tubes back onto the injector nozzles, and they're good to go for a full cleaning. With this one right here, paying particular attention to it. These are all pretty close. That one is with that other group. This one is very high. It's kind of an overperformer. I may have also put a different injector on there. I'll have to check the number. This is a different number here, because you can see the bodies are different. But anyway, you get the general idea that the FrankInjector flow balance works. Okay, I'm just going to close it off by doing a 360 on it, so you can get an idea of what all this hardware looks like. And instead of using hard fasteners, whoops, I got a drip here. I think I've got a leak up at this juncture, and I'll have to check on that. Anyhow, this is Bob, 60 degrees below zero for 60degreev6.com. See ya.